Microsoft just launched Windows 11. Let's talk about this. If we were to look at the difference as number of years between each Windows launch from Microsoft, we are going to see that when they built a very good Windows, it took a little bit more time to launch the next version or the next Windows. Now, I think this is the longest time since Microsoft launched a Windows. Namely, it took 7 years to launch a new Windows. Of course, let's see if this new launch is just marketing or it really has some really required improvements. Well, first let's see what are the new features of this Windows 11. First, they say that they introduced a new taskbar layout, the Teams chat, a new App Store, a new panel layout, the Xbox Game Pass, a widget panel, and the Android games for PC. Well, if I'm going to look at all those things, I'm going to say that with the exception of the Android games, the other things are already available on the Windows 10. And the Android games, I must say that they are really widespread through the mobile devices and they are overconsumed there, and I don't think that somebody that is really playing a lot on their mobile phone is going to play on the Windows or on a PC. So from that point of view, I think the last one it's not really useful. Of course, with the exception if you want a bigger monitor to play on, but even like that, I think that this new Windows 11 doesn't get anything more than it's already present in Windows 10. And Windows 10, it's a really good Windows. Then why to change to a newer Windows if you already have a very good Windows that has all those things already working properly? Considering that, please let me know in the comment section below what do you think about Windows 11. Is it worth it? And if it is, what do you think is the best feature of the new Windows? Thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.